So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy stocks in Wealthsimple here on the Wealthsimple Trade app. So first thing you have to do is open up Wealthsimple on your device. Next thing you have to do is go to whatever account you want. So I'm just going to go to where it says my non-registered account right here. So I'm going to press on non-registered. So once you're in this account, what I want you to do here is I want you to go to the search bar at the bottom. So press on the magnifying glass right here. Then on this screen, if you want to search up a specific stock, just go up to where it says discover and search up whatever stock you want here in the search bar. But if you want to maybe browse some different stocks or whatever, you can go to different categories right here. You can see a bunch of different top lists right here if you want. So since I am in Canada, we can go ahead here to where it says top Canadian stocks. I'll press on view all, and if you want to invest into any one of these companies, feel free to go do so. So if you wanted to invest into TD stock, for example, but it doesn't really matter. This of course is not financial advice, just a simple tutorial on how to buy stocks here in Wealthsimple. Once you have the stock that you want to buy, press on buy. Then once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and either do a fractional buy if you want, or if you want to change it, you can go to the top and press on market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, recurring buy. Do whatever you have to do. So if you want to go to market buy, you can search up whatever, if I wanted to buy 10 shares, for example, I can do that. I can press on continue. I don't have enough funds to do this, so I'm just going to go back here, but pretty much that is how you guys can buy stocks here in Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.